Hello, I'm Professor Pamela Kalamanis and I teach English, and I'm going to be your instructor for the semester of spring 2021. Welcome to the college. I want to welcome you to the course, and I just want to tell you a few things about what we're going to do this semester, just so that you know what to expect. We're going to be meeting on Zoom, so that's the first thing. And the biggest thing for you to know is that everything in the course is going to be on Blackboard. So this is how we're going to meet. You'll see me here in my home office. Sometimes I may be standing, and you'll see me standing in my home office here. And sometimes I may change the directions. You can see sometimes we have we spin the wheel and you answer questions, and you're going to have an opportunity to get to know my space a little bit, and I'll get to see your space. So we'll be on cameras. I will ask you to keep your cameras on, to think that this is like we're meeting in person. So just a few things to think about. You want to make sure that you've eaten before class. If you want to have water or a snack, that's a good thing to do, but you don't really want to be eating on camera. There will be times when I'm giving a lecture and I will tell you that you don't have to have your camera on. Our classes are going to have readings for every class. You want to check the syllabus and do the reading before you come to class if possible. So you should expect to read between 50 and 75 pages per class. So I'm just thinking about budgeting your time. If you're taking a class that's a 3-credit class, the expectation is that you'll spend the same amount or even an hour and a half per credit. So you want to think about budgeting your time. Also, I know that there can be distractions in the home, so you want to make sure that you're not driving during class. And sometimes you may notice that I'm actually giving class in the car because that's how I've had to find privacy. It can be difficult in our spaces right now. So just remember that you get credit for coming. And I do have it built into the course that there are a certain number of absences that sometimes these things happen. And you don't have to worry about missing points until you've missed more than 3 classes. Then it will start to affect your grade. Remember that you should email me. That's the only way that we're allowed to talk to each other. I can't give you my phone number, and I can't really text message you. So email takes a business day or sometimes 2 business days for me to respond to. So sometimes you have to wait for an answer to your question. Let's see. A good thing to do is to just start to check Blackboard if you're not familiar with Blackboard, if you're transferring from somewhere else. It is our course management system. There's information through the school to help you get oriented. It's not a difficult program to learn. It just looks different sometimes than things that you may be used to. So hopefully you'll check your Blackboard and check your email. Your email is the formal way that we can communicate. Just a reminder that people are in colleges for different reasons. They have different goals. So we want to be respectful. We want to remember that everyone matures at a different rate. And it's a good idea to just start to give yourself time to get oriented. The semester is about to begin. It is 15 weeks long. There will be writing assignments every class. Once a week you'll have an assignment that you have to post, and you'll start to see that there's an organization here, that there's a certain thing that you read every week, there's a certain thing that you write, and then we have at the midterm we have an exam, and at the end we have some papers due. So for the most part, the readings will be in your textbook. You can check the website that has all the information about the textbook. And also on the first day of class, I'm going to go over everything. So I hope that I've answered some basic questions that you might have. I'm really glad to meet you all. We'll be in touch, and just check your email and go ahead and learn that Blackboard system. Okay, I'll see you soon.